You've probably already gotten a quote, maybe 2 or 3, and something don't add up. The numbers were too far apart. The scope wasn't clear, or you just had a feeling that you don't have the full picture yet. That feeling is correct. Most basement renovations don't fail because of bad construction. They fail before a single wall goes up. Wrong assumptions about cost. Skip steps that shows up later as expensive problems. And the process that starts with design when it should start somewhere else entirely. This channel exists for homeowners who want to understand what they're getting into before they commit $80,000 or $100,000 to a contractor. Not after the contract is signed. Not after construction starts. Before. On this channel, we give you the information that most contractors either don't explain or they hope you don't ask about. Real cost, real risk, real decisions. My name is Quacy Barry. I'm the founder of BCR Basements. I've spent 20 years doing this work in the GTA. In that time, I've seen basements done beautifully. And I've walked into finished basements that looks perfect on the outside. And we're sitting on top of serious problems. Moisture behind walls. Illegal suites that couldn't be rented. Permits that weren't pulled. I started this channel because I was tired of homeowners finding out the hard way. A basement renovation isn't just drywall and flooring. It's structure. It's systems, safety, code compliance. And the decisions you make before you build determines everything that happens after. If you're planning to finish your basement in the next 6 to 12 months, subscribe to this channel. Because the most expensive mistakes in a basement renovation are the ones no one warned you about. Consider this your warning.